Here's how to create a filter effect in your art to make it pop. First, we're going to start out with a new layer, and we're going to go into our colors and pick a bright turquoise. And you're just going to, with any brush, just max size and opacity to about 50%. And you're just going to paint right over it. Make sure to color everything in and not leave any gaps. So then we're going to go to our layers and going to go into our blend mode, and you can just play around with all of these effects and see which one you like most. So for this one I put luminosity, which makes a nice, I like to think like an old style filter, and this is what it looks like without and with. I think it made a really nice difference. So let's try experimenting with different colors and see what other effects it has. You can also mix and match some of these colors, and if you have the pink and the teal, it makes a really nice effect as well. So you can just experiment with these and check out which ones you like best. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.